Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sohail and you are watching Sohail Tech channel. Today we'll discuss about what is the best website to learn coding or programming in any language, CSS, HTML, C++, Python or any. So go to your Google browser or any browser and type here W3 school and click enter and click first link, and this is the website of W3 school. It is a number best website in world to learn programming and coding. Here you see right corner JavaScript, several side many languages in this, and they provide you exercises, tutorials and everything. Eh, if you learn HTML CSS, click here learn HTML CSS, everything about HTML and CSS, and learn or C++. If you click C++, it will load and you see this. You can scroll down and this is the examples and everything about C++, syntax and everything, many programs you can write, and click next. And introduction, why we use C++, everything. So this is best website. If you want to learn any language, go this website and learn amazing language. Thank you.